Welcome to Section 3 of our LinkedIn Ads video training. In this section, we will talk about LinkedIn ad specs and advertising guidelines, creating a LinkedIn text ad step by step, creating direct sponsored content step by step, managing your campaigns, and performance and reporting. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. LinkedIn ad specs and advertising guidelines. You launched your first company page, and we're sure that your fingers are itching to start making some cool ads to start promoting your content. That's great news, and we have made room to give something special to you before you start. In this video, we will teach you how to apply some ideal ad specifications and advertising with LinkedIn, as well as how to follow and comply with the LinkedIn guidelines. LinkedIn's ad specs. For LinkedIn advertising specifications, my advice for you is to go straight to www.linkedin.com/help/LMS/8154/8155. And right here you will be able to see all the advertising specifications for each one of the ad types LinkedIn is actually offering you. First, take a look at the sponsored content and the text ad ones. Sponsored content ads are updates that promote your content to an audience beyond people that are following your profile or your company. You can use them to target a specific audience and help you reach LinkedIn members wherever and whenever they are engaging on the LinkedIn platform across desktop, mobile, and tablet. For sponsored company content and direct sponsored content specifications, we find link sharing, embedded rich media, ad policy notes, tracking capabilities, and click flow. Text ads are tailor-made for reaching any type of potential audience on desktop devices on any type of budget. For advertising specifications for text ads, we find links, text, image, and placement. You can also take a look at the other ad specs depending on your plans for advertising with LinkedIn. LinkedIn advertising guidelines. The following advertising guidelines have been created by LinkedIn to protect their users and the integrity of its platform. Failure to comply with these guidelines will get your ads removed from the platform. LinkedIn can also restrict you from further advertising on it, so take note. Your in-ad content must be accurate and true to the actual content being promoted. Do not ever deceive or lie to LinkedIn members through advertising. Keep your in-ad text concise and well formatted. Do not use non-standard grammar, spelling, or capitalization. In-ad contact information must be kept to a minimum. Add only one link, one email address, or one phone number per ad. Do not ever use inappropriate, suggestive, or outright offensive language in your ads. In-ad links must lead to clean and non-deceiving sites. Do not use trademark material that you're not legally allowed to promote. Do not promote sensitive content such as adult and dating websites, gambling-related material or websites, hate-related or violent content, or religiously inflammatory content. Do not promote prohibited products and services such as multi-level marketing schemes, affiliate advertising, alcoholic products, animal products, counterfeit goods, copyrighted content, private data, drug-related content and paraphernalia, fake documentation, cracked or pirated software, tobacco-related content and products, and weapons or firearms.